Hello friends, hope you are doing good. In this discussion we will talk about how to add custom filters in filter menu. In case you missed previous discussion about what is search view, how many types of filter is available and how we can extend search view in modal, you can see the link is given in description. Now today we will see like how we can add filters here like this in our custom model. Let's say the student profile. So right now you can see if I click here in the filters, you can see there is no any other filter is available. But let's say like I want to add here one search filter here, and that filter should be like that filter should work like this, like roll number should not be blank. So for that one, like we have to use like this, right? Like roll number and is set and trying to apply. So you can see here all the records found which having a roll number. So this filter we can add inside these filters. Let's see how we can add this filter. So for this, like we have to go to in editor. Let me open the views.xml file, and you can see our last discussion we talk about how to create the search view, and now we are trying to add that custom filter. So for this, like we have to use here the filter tag. That filter tag having some attributes, the useful attributes you have to always use and you have to remember, like string, then after name, and here like we have to always use as a domain, and then we can just close this filter tag. So that's it for to define a custom filter in filters menu. So search attribute is always like used to labeling purpose, like roll numbers. Here like we can define the field name or any name, any unique name like roll number at this time. And the domain means, I hope you understood, right? The filter, like right now what you are using in the search ORM method. So here like let's say we have to use in list of tuple. In tuple we have to define three parameters. The first parameter should be the field name, which is the roll number. Here like we need to add here the operators. Operators means like less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, less than, in, not in, I like, child of, all the operators like we can use here. Right now we can use like not, equal to, and here we can use like false. First let's try without single quote and trying to upgrade the module, and going to in front end side, refresh the page. Okay, now you can see this roll numbers is visible, and if I click here you can see the roll number filter executed successfully with 17 records. So like this way you can use this filter, but you can see one you can also see like roll number is set and apply. So total 17 record found, but if you see here like two filter automatically add, this is custom filter which is used by the user, and once you refresh the page it will automatically clear these custom filters. you can see here now it's not visible. So, and this is custom filters which is available for all the users here, so you don't need to worry about these filters. Plus I want to add one more thing is, like I want to search filters, like I want to see only Sunny as a student name. I don't want to write here as a Sunny like this, but I want to just use, I want to add filter, the same filter here. How can I do? Like, let's see. We have to use the same thing here. Let me minimize this one, and like filter string like Sunny student. Then after name, here we have to define as a name field, and here like domain should be like name equal to, sorry, not equal to, but here we can use I like operator and self, or let's say Sunny, that specific content, and trying to upgrade the module plus restart the service. I'm trying to refresh the page, and now you can see the Sunny student filter also available. You can see like name and Sunny is here, plus the roll number should be also available. So you can see this two filter is available, plus you can see why all the filters, like why it should execute like this, because you can see here this is OR condition applied here, so that's the reason. Let's say if you want to search with the end condition, then you can use like this is set. So this is end condition. By default it's a OR condition, so this is OR condition. So like this way you can add filters and custom filters under this filters menu. I hope this is clear for you, and in our next session we will talk about how to add custom filter in group by menu here. We will see in our next discussion. In case you have any doubt or query related to these filters, please comment below, and see you in next session.